is Daisy Shah and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. My journey has been a long journey but quite entertaining and I would say like I have enjoyed each and every phase of my life, like from an extra to a dancer to an assistant to modeling and now to acting. Actually, I'm a person who takes things like whatever comes to me, I take it in a positive way. I had never thought that I would ever get into acting, but like initially it started off as something for your pocket money, and then eventually it has become a profession. I'm not at all a trained dancer. I've just got better and better by dancing, and the only dancing training, or I would say what I've got, is from assisting Mr. Acharya. And like they say that anything, if you keep doing, you just get better and better and better. I am comfortable doing any dance forms because I can follow the dance steps very easily, but like the main form of dancing from where I've come from is Bollywood Masala, so which is basically a mix of all the forms of dancing. Jai Ho, it was a completely surprise thing for me, a completely unexpected thing. It just happened like just because I knew Salman because of my assisting work. I had a little bit of interaction with him, but then he like on the Jai Ho sets, he told me that he had seen a glimpse of mine on the video assist when we were shooting for one of his movie songs in South Africa, and that's when he thought that if ever I get into acting, or even I think of getting into acting, he would definitely give me a chance. I have not thought of it as of now because we are more like, I would say, to be precise, I am more focused on Jai Ho because it's about to release, like another week to go. But yes, if you have personal interest in some work, then it's going to be coming out good, like the results would be really good. So right now I think I am going to do more of entertaining movies than going into experimental cinema because it's just the starting phase of mine, so I cannot be getting too experimental. Jai Ho, the girl what I'm playing is a girl next door. Just a normal girl which you will see in your day-to-day life, who's happy-go-lucky, very expressive, very straightforward. She's happy in her own element. It's more like that, like happy in her own world. No, there were no difficulties being faced by me, but it's only that I found it rather easy working on this because I've worked for South cinema too. So that being a completely alien language to me, this was a language known by me. It was more easier to understand things, like to relate yourself with the people, like to know what's going around in each and every technicality field of the movie. So there are many things to learn from him, but one thing what he kept on telling me always is that every actor or every technician who's working on a project has their own involvement, has their own things to give to a movie. But again, like if you don't show the involvement, then the people will think that you are rather disinterested and not willing to. It's just like, हाँ ठीक है करना है तो कर लिया. So showing the involvement is the biggest thing that you have to do if you are working on any projects, irrelevant of any field it is. I actually had to like work out more like when it comes to physical activity because I have been a dancer, so I've danced for almost 8 to 10 hours a day. So to lose the weight, I had to do something more to it. So we had sessions of 6 hours of workout in a day when we didn't have work, like the days when we were free. And it's like for me, it is, I have to push myself beyond the limits to lose weight. Rather, I would say toning up. I follow both. I do cardio and weights, both. cardio is to it's to increase the BMR of your body, and weights is to tone your body. So both goes hand in hand. You can't be doing only one thing. I am blessed with a good skin and good hair, but when it comes to taking care of it, just like moisturize, drink lots and lots of water, because it's very essential to keep yourself hydrated all day, and just a good moisturizer, that's it. My dressing sense is very comfortable. I would, like, the day if given a chance, I would only be wearing pajamas, but when it comes to easy dressing and all that, then it's denims and tees or a shirt, that's it. My fans can reach me on Instagram, that is at ShaDaisy, my handle's name. I'm not on Twitter or Facebook, and whenever I join those social platforms, I would definitely let my fans know.